Civil Service Exam Math Reviewer number 67 and 68. So post the video, try nyo munang sagutan bago panoodin ang solution ko. Number 67, what is the value of 36 divided by 6 times quantity 5 minus 2 plus 4? So sundin lang natin dito yung PEMDAS rule. So ang PEMDAS rule, lagi ko itong pinapaulit, ang PEMDAS rule, actually ang pagkakasulat ng PEMDAS rule, may parenthesis itong MD and then AS. Yung iba kasi, sinusunod ito literal na PEMDAS, pero ang totoo niyan, yung M at D ay same order, left to right, kagaya ng addition and subtraction, left to right. Hindi automatic na una ang multiplication bago ang division. And then addition, at saka bago ang subtraction, left to right itong dalawa. Okay? So pag sinunod natin ang PEMDAS, mauuna yung parenthesis. So ito yung may parenthesis, unahin natin ito. Copy the rest. Okay, so just copy the 36 divided by 6 and then times 5 minus 2, pwede na nating i-evaluate ito, that is 3. Pwede nang wag ilagay yung parenthesis kapag isa na lang yung number. Okay? So wag na ilagay yung parenthesis, 3 na lang and then plus 4. Okay na tayo sa parenthesis, wala namang exponent. So dito na tayo sa multiplication and division, left to right palagi. Kagaya na to, nauna yung division bago yung multiplication. Pag sinunod nyo yung PEMDAS, magkakamali kayo kasi 6 times 3 yung uunahin nyo. So tandaan lagi, ang multiplication at division ay left to right palagi yan. So uunahin natin ang division. Okay? So same order kasi sila. So therefore, we have 36 divided by 6, that is 6. Copy the rest, times 3 plus 4. And then meron na lang tayong multiplication and addition. So una ang multiplication bago yung addition. So evaluate natin ito, 6 times 3, that is equal to 18 plus 4. So the final answer is 18 plus 4, that is 22. Letter D ang tamang sagot. So next number 68, a rectangle has a perimeter of 50 centimeters. So given ang perimeter ay 50 centimeters. If its width is 11 centimeters, given ang width 11 centimeters, ang hinahanap ay length. What is the length? Okay, so gamitan lang natin ang formula. Dalawa yung formula ng perimeter ng rectangle. Yung iba ang ginagamit ay 2L plus 2W. Pwede rin naman gamitin yung isa naka-factored form ito. Perimeter ay 2, tapos naka-factor yung 2, we have L plus W. So kahit alin sa dalawa, same lang yan nakakalabasan. I-substitute lang natin yung given, ang perimeter natin ay 50. And then given yung width na 11. So substitute lang natin, we have 2L plus 2. Oh, sorry, tama, L is the unknown, W is 11. Okay, so evaluate lang natin yan. So we have 50 is equal to 2L and then plus 2 times 11, that is equal to 22. Then L dapat ang matitira, so subtract 22 to both sides. So 0 na ito, cancel na lang. 50 minus 22, that is equal to 28 equals 2L. Finally, divide both sides by 2. Therefore, ang value ng L natin ay equal sa 28 divided by 2, 14. So the answer is letter C. Or kapag itong isa ang ginamit nyo, mas magandang gamitin itong factored form kasi mas makakatipid tayo ng konti. Tingnan natin yung lines nito. Pag sinubstitute natin ang P ay 50 and then just write 2, L ang hinahanap, so just write L plus W, W is 11. So kapag itong isang ginamit kasi, hindi na natin i-distribute yung 2, divide na natin directly both sides by 2. So wala na ito, and then 50 divided by 2 is 25 is equal to L plus 11. Wala nang i-distribute kasi na-cancel na siya. And then subtract na lang natin 11 to both sides. So therefore, 0 na ito, ang value ng L ay magiging 25 minus 11, 14. So kita nyo na mas nakatipid lang tayo ng isang line. Compared dito, so tingnan nyo hanggang dito lang siya. Itong kabila, may isa pang line. Okay, so same answer naman yan, parehas 14 ang tamang sagot, letter C. Sa mga naghahanap po ng murang civil service exam review, ito po yung offer ko sa inyo. 99 pesos lang po, all in na po ito. Meron tayong 500 slots na available. Ito po yung mga inclusion niya, 10 days math and logic tutorial via Zoom. Online po ito ha. So ang schedule na itong 10 days, ito po. Ayan, math and logic. 7 to 9 p.m. po lahat ito, MWF po ito. So July 6, integers, PEMDAS, GCF, and LCM. July 8, fractions and decimals. July 10, law of exponents and radicals and unit conversion. July 13, number series and number analogy. July 15, basic algebra. July 17, percentage, ratio, and proportion. July 20, word problems. July 22, Data Interpretation, July 24, Logical Reasoning, and July 27, Abstract Reasoning. So, madadaanan po natin lahat ng mga math and logic. Meron din tayong Google Forms Reviewer sa ibang subjects kagaya ng verbal ability, analytical ability, general info. Marami rin tayong mga 150 item na mock test. Then may only replay din po tayo ng past session. Ito pong mga Zoom meetings natin, recorded po yan sa exclusive na FB group natin. So ano pong inaantay nyo, mag-message lang po kayo sa akin dito sa aking FB RJ Enseñado.